This video will demonstrate how to merge two customers in Marina Focus. Here's an example of a situation where we've made a mistake and added a customer twice to Marina Focus. If you have a look here, I have a James Arthur and I also have a Jimmy Arthur. Okay, what we want to do here is merge Jimmy into James. Now if we come up to customers and we go to merge customers, in here we select the person that we wish to remove. That person is Temp Arthur, so you must know what the code is for that particular customer, and we want to merge them into James. If I click on OK, it's going to remove Temp Arthur and move all connected items over to Art, JPR, PER. That means any transactions, any agreements, or any information about Jimmy will be moved over to James. We click on yes, and that has done. That customer has now been merged into the other customer. Thank you for watching this video.